In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the oil pressure sensor on this Volkswagen Tiguan. It's going to be located on the top front part of the engine. Let's get into it. Now we're going to disconnect the connector. Just pull on the tab. Pop that off. Using a 24mm socket. Loosen up the oil pressure sensor. And you can twist it out by hand. It comes right out. Take the new sensor, line it up. And snug it down first. And I'll torque this to 14 foot-pounds. Take the connector, get it lined up. And connect the connector.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.